Hey there, CrossFit Rugrats. I wanted to send you this quick video because I'm looking for a personal training or a gym to work with over in Owensboro. So I saw your website on Google and I wanted to send you this quick video because even though I did find your website on Google right here, you were on the third page and pretty much down towards the lower portion of the first page, or the third page, excuse me. But really, you want to be here. You want to be on the first page of Google here, right here in this map pack, and also taking up some of these really, really crucial organic listing locations in the top three. Really and truly, you want to be beating out Owensboro Athletic Club. That's your number one competitor for, gaining some website traffic. So, like I said, I wanted to send you this video. And just show you some quick ways on how you can really take your website and improve it so that the search engines are a lot friendlier to you when people are looking for CrossFit or a gym or anything like that in Owensboro. The first thing that you guys are doing pretty good with is content on the first page um, of your website. You do have some really good content. You go over why you got into CrossFit, what you've been doing before, the kind of clients you work with. You do have some articles here talking about CrossFit. So you do have some content. It's just getting the content to be a little bit more organized. You do have some photos down here, which makes your website quite a bit hard to navigate. So you really want to go ahead and get the website cleaned up a bit in terms of getting your homepage content a little bit better, getting your um, yeah, because you don't have anything on your homepage. You do have some stuff on your class schedule, so you really want to go ahead and um, get your website a bit more cleaned up, getting more content on it, because Google does love websites with a lot of content. If you come to Google and type in, since we're in Kentucky, horses, the first thing that pops up is Wikipedia, because Wikipedia is the authority on horses. It's got a lot of content, and when Google comes here and scrolls and crawls this web page for information, it sees that, hey, this is a website about horses, everything about horses, everything you can possibly want relating to horses, good keywords. So this is what Google likes, which is why Wikipedia is, after some YouTube videos, is the number one organic listing for horses. And then you have some National Geographic and some other stuff. But that goes back to your guys' website, where you do want to have content all throughout your website, especially on your home page. You definitely want to have a lot of good content on your home page so that Google will improve your ranking. The second thing that you want to do is getting some good quality backlinks. So there is a tool called Majestic, and what it does, it checks the different links and referring domains. So basically, what this is, it's another website that is sending a link to your website, and you can see the different websites. Here, there's a couple directories, Box Pro Mag, and you do have some backlinks. But the backlinks that you do have are not very powerful. You can see this trust flow. This is pretty much the one of the most important metrics right here, is this trust flow metric, and you see most of them are zeros and fives. Um, so you want to, even though you do have some good backlinks, they're not very strong. So the URL that's sending you that backlink, you want it to be pretty strong, because the higher your trust flow and citation flow is, the higher your website will organically rank on Google. Think of these referring domains as votes, right? So every time you have a referring domain, it's basically a vote in the eyes of Google. But not all votes are created equal. That's the difference between your neighbor saying you guys are a good CrossFit gym, or the president of the United States, saying you guys are a good CrossFit gym. Essentially they're one vote. There are two people giving, the same review, but one one vote holds a lot more weight, and that's how that trust flow comes into play. That's how you get this trust flow higher, is by finding backlinks from websites with higher trust flow metrics. So that's the second thing that you guys can do to significantly improve your SEO rankings. Um, and the last thing you definitely want to do is you want to make sure when you come to Google, like I showed in the beginning of the video, you do want to take advantage of getting your business listed in this map pack. When people are looking for businesses, they're normally doing it on their cell phone, and when they do search, it pops up the little phone icon next to the business's name. And that gives people the immediate choice to just give your business a call. So you want to get into this map pack. If you don't already have a Google My Business account, you definitely want to create one. Put all your company's information inside of that profile, and then get some Google reviews. Even though it's not something that will make or break your ranking in the top 3, it is something that does help with people trusting you more. Even though you might have the greatest site, if nobody has any reviews, strangers aren't going to trust you that well. So those are some three key tips on how you can improve your businesses ranking to be able to get in front of more clients, get more people interested in your business, and be able to grow your business as well. That's not even touching on keywords, citations. That's not touching on the different backlinking strategies, and how to build authority on your website and off your website. So I just wanted to send you this quick video. Like I said, I am looking for a business partner up with, a good, reliable business that I can trust, because this is something that I do, and I don't like to put too many businesses or work with too many businesses at the same time. I'm very selective, and I think you guys are a right fit for exactly what we are trying to do, and I definitely think we can help you out too. So if you definitely want some more information about what we do, how we can get you from the bottom of page 3 to the top of page 1, beat out Owensboro Athletic Club. See, these are the metrics that you really have to beat. Less backlinks, but a little bit more authority, and that's something that can be done. So if you have any questions, give me a call. I'll be more than happy to talk to you. Again, the name's Amari. Reply to this email, and talk to you soon. Thanks.